In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the negative powers. So every time you have a negative power, maybe you have x to the power negative b. If you want to undo this negative power, this is the same as 1 out of x to the power b without the negative. So it's like finding the reciprocal of everything. So if I have 5 to the power negative 2, it's the same as 1 out of 5 to the power 2, which is 1 out of 25. So every time you have a negative power, it's the same as the reciprocal. So this is 1 out of x to the power a. So if I have x to the power negative 5, this is the same as having 1 out of x to the power 5. So that's the negative power. And then let's look at this example. So this is the same as having, first of all, this is multiplication, right? You're multiplying indices of the same base, xx. Let's deal with the constants first. Negative 3 times 6 will give you a negative 18. We both know that. It doesn't change, right? So negative 18, and then we have an x to the power negative 8, and then we have another x to the power negative 3. First of all, you're dealing with indices of the same base. You're multiplying indices of the same base, so you can add out these powers. So x to the power negative 11. However, because this is a negative power, this is the same as negative 18, x down to the power 11, like that, right? So this is one way of looking at it. Another person would easily have done it like this. 6 x to the power negative 8 times negative 3 x to the power negative 3. So this would go down and be 6 out of x exponent 8 times negative 3 x down exponent 3. So we're getting rid of the negative exponents. And here, since you're multiplying indices of the same base, it gives you 11. And then here, 6 times negative 3 gives you negative 18. So negative 18 x to the power 11. So it's just pretty much the same thing. You choose how you want to deal with it. And then finally, it's the 0 exponent. Anything to the power 0, I've mentioned this before, and maybe 100 to the power 0 is 1. X to the power 0, 1. 1 million to the exponent 0, it's 1. Anything to the exponent of 0 is 1. Don't forget that. All right, guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.